For me, I'm just gonna say to Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, do not show your Pornhub in your YouTube video or in video in the internet. Because, people there are angry at you. For me, I never want to say to you, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, even you, Paulo Cruzada, can you just stop both of you acting yourself stupid? Give me a break because I know both of you are doing stupidity. Oh, me, I'm not stupid. I'm not dumb. Because I'm saying to both of you, stop acting yourself dumb. Alright? Because this is really shameless. Oh, you know what, Arnel Guerrera Castillo? You're the one who stole my PWD ID card. When my sister buying medicine, even you, Paulo Cruzada. Don't both of you know that stealing a PWD ID card, that is mandurukot? It's not a bail. Oh, it's a thief. Oh, me, I never steal anything. Oh, when I go to Ate Janet's store, when I buy a candy, I apologize to her for stealing it. Oh, for me, I paying for it. Oh, for me, I'm just gonna say to you, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, or aka Best Pills, and Paulo Cruzada, why can't you just both of you deactivate all of your Facebook account? Oh, after the US election, after you make a good sport to Kamala Harris when Donald Trump won, and you, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, you spread pornography in Pornhub. Best Pills, aka Arnel Guerrera Castillo, it's coming 2025. Oh, it's end of 2024. We do not want to be stick with the immature. Oh, it's 2025. Be matured. Even you, Paulo Cruzada, be matured. Don't act, both of you are stupid. And for me, I am not doing anything stupid. Oh. Be matured. This is really happened to both of you. Oh. Be matured. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, stop posting pornography in Pornhub. Paulo Cruzada, move on about US election. Stop attacking the Duterte supporters and Trump supporters who were Filipinos and Filipino American. I am saying to both of you, if both of you started the trouble, if both of you will go to jail, oh, I say to Paulo Cruzada and Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, that's not good. Oh, perhaps it's coming 2025. It's coming New Year. We do not want to be immatured. Oh, just let's stop this nonsense. Let's stop this foolish. That's all.